Many times people keep asking me, ये पूरा टारगेट बनाया था बट अचीव नहीं हुआ. And I always say it in my video that I always make a to-do list and I make sure that I don't sleep before that to-do list is achieved, before that day planner is achieved, before my schedule is achieved. And then comes the question, how to achieve the targets you define, not just in terms of academics but in general your life. And there is no secret formula to that. There are no tips and tricks for the same. It's only one thing, self motivation, or you can call it as dedication, devotion, etc. But whatever it is self driven. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कभी फोर्स नहीं किया पढ़ने के लिए कि तुम 8 घंटे पढ़ो या 10 घंटे पढ़ो, पढ़ाई में क्या चल रहा है. दे यूज टू आस्क कि कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, क्या चल रहा है, बट दे हैव नेवर पुश्ड मी और फोर्स्ड मी कि इतना घंटे पढ़ो तो अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे एक्सेट्रा. Whatever I have done, it was so self driven. I wanted to become CA. It was my goal to get a rank. They never forced कि you should target for a rank और इतना तो एटलीस्ट पढ़ो तभी रैंक आएगा. नेवर एवर. टिल नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग अ जॉब एंड दे नेवर से दैट कि ये जॉब में 3 या 5 साल रहना है तो इतना काम करो या फिर ये चीज़ में बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाओ, बाकी चीज़ों को थोड़ा सेक्रीफाइस करो. दे नेवर से एनीथिंग. It's my own self desire that okay, I want to do my job properly, I want to give proper time to it. So you have to find that desire in yourself. No one else can do that. If you want to become an engineer, you want to become an engineer, and that should be so firm, that should be so determined that okay, you will clear your Z mains or Z advanced. If you want to become a CA, it has to be that very firm desire that I want to become CA, and for becoming CA, this is what I need to do, and that's what I need to do on a daily basis. If I don't achieve it, I'm not getting there. I'm not getting to my goal, and that has to be self-driven. Even the biggest motivators have also said that you can only motivate yourself. मैं अभी जो भी बोल रही हूँ, it would affect you, but only for a shorter period of time, not for like 1 month or 2 months. Even that's a shorter span of time. So you have to build that desire. You have to find that passion. Yeah, that's what I want to do, and you have to enjoy what you are doing. And have to is not the right word because it's like again a forceful tone. But it's like if you enjoy what you do, then you don't need that push. You don't need someone to force you. If you have decided to do something, become something, just dedicate yourself to it. Completely absorb yourself. Like, this is my life and this is my priority, and you will get there. If you haven't already read or heard the story of Socrates and his disciple, then you must do that. That's what he told about success. It's like completely absorbing yourself in something you want to achieve, and you will get there. You will achieve the success. Even the person who can't run or like who don't like to run and he's so scared of dogs, so whenever a dog would be behind him, he would run like anything, and that happens. So whatever you do it with passion, dedication and devotion, and you'll get there. You'll achieve all your targets that you've decided to. But yeah, having said that, always set realistic targets that can be achieved. If you'll set unrealistic targets, then no one can make you achieve those. Thank you.